In this video, we will discuss configuring the electric motor speed display on a DS5 touchscreen. Begin by opening the Settings menu. Select Equipment Settings. Then Delivery System. Under General, select Handpieces. Here you can choose to view speed based on the burr or the motor. Settings are automatically saved. Press the Home button to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.